Hi guys! Welcome to our crib for our extended stay here in Boracay. I welcome you all to Paradise Garden and Convention Center here at the Station 3 in the island of Boracay. This is a front beach hotel, a 4-star of its kind, and here's our room. By the way, I would like to give a special shout out to si Kolahistang Gala for sponsoring our room for our last day stay here in Boracay. So this is our room. It has a 2 queen size bed, luggage rack, mini bar, safety deposit, coffee, tea, and setup. And here's our comfort room. It has a separate shower area, toilet bowl, and sink. In all fairness, well-maintained naman ang room dito sa hotel. On this side of our room, we have a very big veranda which is facing the garden of the hotel and resorts. Ang ganda lang ng landscape ng garden ng hotel kasi para ka lang nasa gubat. And here's the one of the pool here in the resort. And so here's the direct access of the hotel going to the front beach because we're going to Station X for our very favorite na Coco Mama, and we're gonna play Jenga Giant Family Stop. And ang nakakatuwa dito, ang matatalo ay uutusan naming mangunguha ng mga numbers mamaya para sa aming last night na gala at inuman dito sa isla ng Boracay. And so I'm playing together with Sir Chad, si JC, Ma'am Grace, and Sir Jepoy. Bye. Ay, naapo. Siya na-review sa akin. Tanggal niya? Oh! Ay! Ay! Shit!
Ala! Ala! Wala.
Ay!
Itulok mo kami ng kapso.
Ay!
Ala. Ay, naku, isuman.
Kaya? Kaya? Kaya?
Yes, ma'am. One kilometer.
Bal, dapat tayo para handa pa rin. Ito na po ang famous na bibingka ng Astoria.